It's the medical kits. There's 17 units in each kit. They're made in freezing cold temperatures. A safe house is a safe house for a reason. It has no address. And that's where people build out the supplies for the front lines. It has to move constantly and continuously, or it can be taken or attacked or bombed.
Okay, so this mountain behind us, this is just this round, right?
Yeah, correct. You've donated thousands.
Yeah, I think over 2,500 now.
You have over 2,500 have already gone to the front lines. So it's got the tourniquet, it's got the proper bandages, it's got other blood sealers.
And it has the stuff that helps them save their limbs, right?
Yeah.
It draws the blood into where the injury is so that they don't lose the limb.
There's a lot of hemostatic gauze to stop bleeding, your tourniquets, everything for all these kids that were thrown into war with a rifle and a Band-Aid.
And you have now packed an IPAC that gives a soldier suffering from a trauma wound about a 50% or better chance of staying alive on the battlefield. So, it's pretty awesome what you did.
Oh, this is the gear?
Wow. Look at that. I mean, one of the examples.
Yeah.
That's top notch.
Amazing.
I think that many people know me from pots and pans, or maybe the name on their sofa or their dog food. I don't know why I was so compelled to do this. I wanted to be with the people of Ukraine because I watch news a lot. And I am just so moved by these human beings that are putting their very lives on the line at every age group. I think that's what really got me into this. I just couldn't believe that children to grandmothers and grandfathers were so passionate. It's not a movie, it's life. It is very odd to be in Ukraine multiple times because once you're there once, by the second trip, you understand the normalcy. People that face losing their lives every day